The goal for today's video is to find a winning product, create a website, market the product, and get sales all within the next 72 hours. Watch this video all the way to the end if you want to see if I can complete this challenge. Let's not waste any time and go ahead and find the winning product. One of the biggest challenges with dropshipping is finding a product that you can make money with. The product must include the following criteria. It must have a wow factor, be a problem solver, and have viral potential. I'm going to be using TikTok to find our winning product by searching for hashtags like Amazon Best Finds and products you need. And in order to avoid saturated products, I'll also filter out my search by the last month. This is also going to help us see products that have gone viral within the last 30 days. So I'm going to scroll through TikTok for a few hours and let you guys know once I find my winning product. After scrolling and doing research for about 2 hours, I think I finally found my winning product. This product is a galaxy projector built in the shape of an astronaut. I believe this product definitely has viral potential, and I believe I can make some really good organic TikToks with it. It's already gone semi-viral on TikTok before, and it looks like a very attention-grabbing product. It's also important that it has good profit margins, and after finding it on AliExpress, I believe I can sell this for at least double the price. Next, I'm gonna need to order the product from Amazon so that I can make my TikToks with it. And of course, the 72 hours of this challenge begin when I receive the product, because it's probably going to take a few days to get here. So I found the product right here on Amazon and it costs just under $50. I'm going to order it right now and update you guys in a few days once it arrives. 5 days later, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Galaxy Astronaut Projector. This product honestly looks and works amazing, just like it's advertised. It also looks like it has high demand but low competition, which is the perfect combo that we need. I'm pretty confident that I can make a super good looking website around it. Speaking of the website, let's actually move on to the second step, which is actually building the store. There are many e-commerce platforms that you can use to build your website, like Shopify, BigCommerce, or Wix. However, Shopify has always been the go-to option that every dropshipper uses. The main reason for that is simply because it's so easy and cheap to get started on Shopify. I've actually left a link down below to sign up to Shopify for only $1 a month, so make sure you check that out. This is the name that I came up with for our store, and it actually stands for Constellation, but in Italian, which I thought was pretty unique. And I was also able to get the exact domain as our store name. And before I get to the actual store build, I had to add some essential apps that can help with conversions. The first app is Booster, and it just makes the website load a lot faster. The second app is De-essers, which is the supplier I'm gonna use for this product. And finally, the third app that I added is Tedio, which adds a live chat option on the website. So now that we've added some apps to the store, let's go ahead and pick our store theme. The store theme I'm gonna be using is the Debeautify theme, which is known to be the most popular conversion-based theme. So I just imported the theme into Shopify, and now it's time to build the website. 3 hours later, and the store is finally complete. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of the better looking stores I've ever made. Let's take a look. So this is the homepage here, and right off the bat, the announcement bar and header just look amazing. Oh, and by the way, this is the little logo that I made for the website using canva.com. Anyways, right here we have a little GIF in the background and some features about the product. Then you have the product itself with some clean images and a YouTube video of unboxing the product. We have some more visuals and information, and then we have the footer. Moving on to the product page, which is actually the most important one. The reason I say that is because this is mainly where people are going to click to. So it's really simple. We have the product right here and a really clean looking product description right below it. And then of course, because we're using the Debeautify theme, it's got some interesting animations. Like this one here when you click the add to cart button, as you can see. So guys, that was the website, and by the way, make sure you don't use more than 3 colors when building your store. The reason I say that is to keep the store looking clean and not like it's all over the place. So overall, I feel like this is a really well looking website. And if we have some luck with TikTok, we're definitely gonna make a lot of sales. Speaking of TikTok, let's move on to the final step, which is marketing the product. If you guys couldn't tell yet, I'm gonna be posting organic TikTok videos without paying any money for ads. I'm mainly gonna look for viral videos with this product and just recreate them. So let's go ahead and record the TikToks we're gonna be posting over the next 3 days. So I just finished recording the TikToks we're gonna be posting for the first day. Oh, and by the way, a good rule of thumb to follow is to post 2 to 3 times a day on TikTok to get the best possible outcome. So let's take a look at the first 3 TikToks that I'm posting today. So this is the first TikTok that I made for this product. And this is the second TikTok that I made and posted.
This is the Galaxy astronaut. Just plug him in and turn him off.
And finally, this is the third TikTok that I posted for the day.
You need to get yourself a Galaxy astronaut immediately.
So now that these TikToks are up, I'll see you guys tomorrow and give you an update on day 2.
2,000 years later.
So guys, it is now day 2, and honestly, I'm a little bit disappointed with the results, but it's okay because it's just day 2. Let me show you. So on our TikTok page, we only got a few hundred views on each of the TikToks. And this is the Shopify dashboard right here, and we only got about 4 total sessions with no sales. So I'm gonna record and post the day 2 TikToks today and update you guys tomorrow. So guys, it's now the following day, and the day 2 TikToks have been up for about 24 hours now, and we only got a few hundred views on them, just like these ones right here. So this is obviously not great, so I'm gonna have to step up my TikTok game because this is the last day. And as for Shopify, for day 2, we only got 8 more sessions. However, we still have 1 more day to go, and I'm gonna try to step up my TikTok game, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So guys, the challenge is now finally over. So our newer videos barely got any views, but the very first TikTok that we posted actually gained some attention and got close to 9,000 views. So as for Shopify, we got 233 sessions to our store. Unfortunately, 0 sales, but we got 5 add to carts. And 5 add to carts within 3 days with no money is actually not bad at all. But yeah guys, that concludes this challenge, and if you want more videos like this, or if you want me to update you on this store, make sure you let me know down in the comments below.